Hello everyone, I come with a new video. In this video, I am going to talk about the storage class. Recently I discussed on the register storage class. Today I will discuss about the auto storage class with in depth. That is auto storage class. Basically, based on the storage class only, the compiler will decide the scope of the variable, the lifetime of that variable, by default value of that variable. These things are there. Okay. Whenever you are going for the multi-file large programmings, you should have the knowledge of storage class. You should be very good in storage class because the storage class makes the program faster and efficient. The first type of the storage class is auto storage class. It is also called as automatic storage class. The basically auto storage class means a variable which is declared inside the functions or a block without any storage class specifier or with auto storage class specifier. That variables are known as auto variable. Example, this is the inside the functions, that is the integer x. Suppose another function is there, integer y. These are the auto variables without any storage class specifier. These are the auto variables. You can mention also the auto, no issue. Okay. Now we will discuss the four things about the auto variable. The first thing is that by default value. The by default value of the auto storage class is garbage. The compiler will not put extra efforts to put 0 inside the auto variable. That's why the by default value of the auto variable is garbage. Second point is the scope of the variable. Scope of the auto variable. The scope of the auto variable is within a functions or within a block only. The scope of the auto variable is within a functions or within a block only. Okay. The third thing is that the lifetime of the variable. Third thing is that lifetime. Suppose my auto variable is integer x is here. The lifetime of the variable. When my control entered inside the functions, the life of that variable will start. When the control goes outside the functions, the life of this variable will ends. So whenever we will call the functions, the life will start. Whenever the functions will end, the life will ends. And the reinitialization is possible in case of the auto variable. Reinitialization means whenever I will call the functions, this variable is assigned with the value 10. Whenever we will call, the value will be assigned 10. That's why the reinitialization is possible in case of the auto variable. One of the important concept of the auto variable is each and every time the variable is allocating and destroying. That's why to returning the address of auto variable is not good programming practice. Because after the functions executions, the memory is deallocated. That's why if you will return the address of that variables, sometimes you will get the unexpected result. So please don't return the address of auto variable. I hope guys you got about auto variable.